Hi, welcome to ASVAB Tutoring. So here we will solve the 10 different arithmetic reasoning problem in this tutorial. So here you will get some tricky maths. Here our first problem will be a pilot flies 500 miles to the north, then 300 miles to the west. So first take this one for north and take this for west. So 500 miles for the north and 300 miles for the west. So here we will take this one. It's a rectangle, not rectangle, it's a triangle. So here how far is the pilot from the starting point? So we need to calculate the distance of C. So here C equals to, from the Pythagoras law, root over a square plus b square. So think a equals to 500 and b equals to 300. So now we need to calculate. So here 500 square plus 300 square. So now we need to calculate like this way. It's 500. So 5 times 5 equals to 25. And we need to take 4 zeros for a square. And here also 3 times 3 equals to 9. And here we need to take 4 zeros. So now we will get it's 30 for 3,40,000. So here we can convert like this way. 2 times 17 or 1,70,000. So just forget about these 4 zeros and separate like this way. Root over 2 times root over 17. So here root over 2 value will be 1 decimal for 1 times here 17. So it can convert like this way, 16 plus 1. So root over 16 equals to 4 decimal something. So here if we multiply with 4 times 1 decimal for 1, so it will give me near about 6 something or 5.98 something. So the actual result, so here we will get 6 and here 4 zeros and we will take 2 zero after root. So it will near about the result of 600 miles. So this is a tricky system. How can you find out the distance? So here come to another problem. A tank can be filled in 6 hours by one pump. So by a pump can fill the tank 6 hours by X liter. And another pump, so pump B, here it can fill tank in 4 hours. So 4 hours. Also the pump B can fill X liter. So if we add, how long will it take to fill the tank if both pumps are working together? So here 6 plus 4 equals to 2x. So here 6 plus 4 equals to 10. So 2x. Here 10 over 2. And here also 2x over 2. So now we will get x equals to 5. So when we merge the two pumps, it can fill the tank within 5 hours. The option D will be the answer. Now come to another problem. A plane travels 200 miles in 2.5 hours. So what is the average speed of the plane in miles per hour? So here 200. So 200 divided by 25. Just forget about the point. So we will get 8 when we'll take point. So we need to take a 0 here. So here 80 miles per hour. The option B will be the answer. So now come to another problem. A plane is traveling at a speed of 240 miles per hour how long will it take to travel 960 miles? So here per hour 240 miles. So we need to find out the time for 960 miles. So 960 over 240 will be the actual time. So here 0 0 cut off, and 24 will goes over 96. It's 4 times. So 4 hours will be the answer. Your answer will be B. Now come to another problem is here. So a box contains 500 items. If 20% of them are defective, so how many items are defective? So here we have to calculate. So 500 and multiply with 20%. So 20% we can convert like this way, 20 over 100. So here 20 will goes over 100. It's 5 times 5 will goes over 500. It's 100 times. So the defective item will be 100 times. So here 100 will be the answer. C. Option C will be the answer. Now come to another problem. If the perimeter of a rectangle is 50 meter and the length is 15 meter, so what is the width of the rectangle? So first write down, first art this rectangle. So here the length will be 15 meter and the perimeter. So we know about the perimeter rules. So here perimeter will be P equals to 2 and A plus B. So A will be the length of rectangle and B will be the width of rectangle. So now here perimeter value will be 50 and 2 times here A value will be 15 plus B. We need to find out the value of B. So here 50, here 2 times 15 equals to 30 plus 2 times B. So here 50 minus 30 equals to 2B. So 2B equals to 50 minus 30 equals to 20. So B equals to 10. So the width of the rectangle will be 10 meters. Option C will be the answer. Now come to another problem. A car travels 300 miles in 5 hours. How many miles does the car travel per hour? 300 over 5. So per hour the car will travel. 5 will goes over 30. It's 6 times and here 0 comes. So 60 mile. So 60 miles per hour will be the answer. Option C. Now come to another problem. A person invested 2,000 at an interest rate of 5% per year. How much interest will the person will earn after 3 years? Just normally or manually you can solve this one. So 2,000. First we need to calculate the interest rate per year. So 2,000 5%. So 5% we can convert like this way, 5 over 100. So 100 will goes over 2,000. It's 20 times and 20 times 5 equals to 100. So $100 will be the interest rate per year. So we need to find out the value after 3 years, how much interest the person will earn, times 3. Here $100 times 3 equals to $300. So the person will earn $300 as an interest for $2,000 after 3 years. Here the answer will be option B. Now come to another problem. Is here your recipe calls for 3 cups of flour for every 2 cups of sugar. If you have 12 cups of flour, how much the sugar will you need? So here 3 cups flour is required, 2 cups sugar. So here 1 cups flour required, 2 over 3 cups of sugar and 12 cups of flour is required. 2 over 3 times 12 equals to 3. Will goes over 12 is 4 times, and 4 times 2 equals to 8. So for 12 cups of flour, 8 cups of sugar will need. So here the answer will be 8 cups. Option A will be the answer. Now come to another problem. A ship sails at the speed of 25 knots. How far will it travel in 8 hours? So 25 knot per hour speed multiply with 8 hours. It's 200 miles, 200 nautical miles will be the answer. Option A. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this video will be helpful for practice test. So these are the things for today. Goodbye for now.